Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do this makeup look. This is a Sutaria makeup look. This one is very different from what I usually do on my channel. This one is more of a party, clubbing, glam makeup look. And for a change, I absolutely love this look. So I hope you like it and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with my primer first. And for primer, I'm going to use this, my all-time favorite, Maybelline Master Prime. Apply it on my cheeks. And I'm going to use my brush today. This one is the Color Bar Duo Fiber brush. So the foundation I'm going to use is the L'Oreal Infallible one. This one is my favorite and I just absolutely love it. The concealer I'm going to apply is this Elegant Pro Conceal HD Concealer. And I'm just going to blend it with this Real Technique sponge. Okay, so on top of this, I'm going to apply the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. This is just to brighten this area. Okay, now I'm going to apply this Bharat and Dorris loose powder and set my concealer. And I'm not going to bake it today, I'm just going to set that area. And then whatever's left on the sponge, I'm going to set my entire face. Okay, so my base looks pretty good. Now I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. For my brows, I'm going to use this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. So for bronzer today, I'm going to take the Body Shop bronzer. And I'm going to take this Oriflame blush brush to apply my bronzer. A little bit on my temples and my jawline. For my eyes, I'm going to take this Lotus Ecostay Gel Eyedefiner in the shade Blue Sapphire, and I'm going to use it all over my eyelids. No, wait, I'm going to do my crease first. For my crease color, I'm going to use this O.Two.O palette. This is the Ocean Mystery palette. They sent one to me and I love the colors in here. So I'm going to use this shade. This is a very neutral brown shade. I'm going to take my Oriflame blending brush and just apply it on my crease. I'm going to use this Lotus Ecostay Gel Eyedefiner. This one is in the shade Blue Sapphire. And I'm going to put it all over my lids. Now taking the Studio West eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to blend it. Just blend the edges so that there are no harsh lines. So going in with the pencil again. I'm going to take a little bit of this shade. I'm going to take my Oriflame blending brush again and pick up this shade and apply it in the outer corner and a little bit on the crease. Since my crease is blended now, I'm going to apply the blue eyeliner again. Just leave the blended part and put it near your lash line. My gosh, it already looks so pretty. I'm going to take one step further and apply pressed glitter on top of it. This is from Glitter World, and these are pressed glitters. Look how pretty it is. So I'm just gonna use my finger and then put it on my lids. Just in the center. Wow, it looks absolutely stunning. Actually, I'm gonna put it all over my lids. It's like really, really, really pretty. Wow. Now I'm gonna apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna apply this L'Oreal Liner Magique on my lash line so that the lash glue doesn't show. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the same shade I used on my crease. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this one. For blush, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Blush palette, and I'm going to use these two shades right here. And I'm going to use my QVS blush brush. For highlighter, I'm going to use this one. The brush I'm going to use is the Studio West foundation brush. This one is a very soft highlighter, and I love this one. And I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my eyes as well. I'm going to line my lips with this lip liner. This is from Miss Claire. Now I'm going to use this Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick. This is in the shade Suave Mauve. Now on top of this, I'm going to apply the Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. This is in the shade Blushing Ambition. It's a beautiful baby pink color. And I'm just going to dab it on my lips. And then blend it with my fingers. I think I need a little bit of peach to it, so I'm going to add a peach lip shade. I'm going to add this Lakme Enrich lip crayon. This is in the shade Peach Magnet. Perfect. This one is Close by Tara's lip shade. I'm happy with it. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I upload any new video. And okay, one more thing. When you click on the bell icon, click on the all option. In that case, you will be notified every time I upload any new post, poll, any story, any new video or anything like that. Okay, so I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.